Summary. The 2023 Challenger Demon 170 Last Call is a special edition muscle car that celebrates the end of an era. It's a powerful, stylish, and comfortable car that's sure to turn heads. If you're looking for a unique and exclusive muscle car, the Challenger 170 Last Call is a great option. Value and collectability. The Challenger Demon 170 Last Call is a limited production model, which makes it very desirable for collectors. Previous models of the Challenger, such as the Hellcat, have appreciated dramatically in value. For example, a 2015 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat with 10,000 miles on it sold for $90,000 in 2022. Significantly more than the car's original MSRP of $65,000. The Challenger 170 Last Call is a limited production model, which means that there are only a finite number of them available. Design. The Challenger Demon 170 is a stylish car, with a sleek exterior design that features fan-favorite finishes from over the years, including Destroyer Gray, Plum Crazy, Sublime and B5 Blue paint, as well as a carbon fiber spoiler. The interior is also stylish, with black leather seats, a heated steering wheel, and a touchscreen infotainment system. Safety. The Challenger 170 is a safe car, earning a 5-star overall safety rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and a Top Safety Pick Plus rating from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. It is also equipped with a number of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring. Whenever you have such power, it's great to know you also have such safety.